Find the condition on C given that y equals x plus c is tangential to this circle here. So I'm going to label them 1 and 2. And we're going to sub this 1 into 2 to find out where the intersections are then. So sub 1 into gives, and we should be able to obtain a quadratic in x. And then if it intersects, it'll have 2 roots. If it touches, intersects and touches, it's just going to have 1 root, this quadratic. So that's where we're heading. So this gives then x squared plus y squared, which is the x plus c, squared, minus 10x, plus 6 times y, which is x plus c, minus 7. I'll bring the 7 over across the equals and make it minus. So that tells us then we've got x squared plus another x squared here, plus 2cx, the middle 2 terms here, plus the c squared, minus 10x, plus 6x when you expand this bracket, plus 6c, minus 7 equals 0. So what have we got then? We've got 2x squareds, 2cx minus 10 plus 6, minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4. So we get 2c minus 4 x, and then the constant term is c squared minus 7. That looks like it there, and a plus of 6c, isn't it? So I better put that in the middle, so it looks better. Plus 6c minus 7 equals 0. There we go. Here's our quadratic then in x. Now this will have equal roots and be tangential. In other words, the line will be tangential to the circle, provided there's 1 root here. So they must equal one another. So here, for them to have equal roots, b squared must equal 4ac, or b squared minus 4ac equals 0 is the condition, isn't it? So this condition gives then, let's see what the condition imposes on c. Turn our attention to this then. B squared is here, so it's 2c minus 4 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is these 3 terms here. There we go. Equals 0. So let's expand this then and see what we get. We get 4c squareds, minus 8 is minus 16c, plus 16, minus 8c squareds, minus 8c squareds, minus 8 times 6 is minus 48, lots of c, then a minus times a minus is a plus. We've got 8 7s are 56. So let's work out that then. We get 4c squareds here. Oh, minus 8c squareds here is minus 4c squareds. Okay, we've got that and that. Then we've got minus 16c minus 48c is minus 64c. That's the c terms. And then we've got our constants. We've got a 16 and a 56. Add them together, we get 72 equals 0. So let's just double check that. These two c squareds make minus 4 c squareds. The c's, minus 16 minus 48, and then the constants, we get 16 and 56, 72. Divide by 4 all the way through, and that gives, divide by minus 4 is best, c squared plus 16c minus 18 equals 0. So there's our quadratic. This is the condition on c then. So just a little check, when you solve this quadratic in C, if we needed to, we don't need to here, but you actually get the roots, I'll write them down, C equals 1.0554 and C equals minus 17.055. If we tap these values now into a plotter, so let's just do that, I've typed it all out here, here's the circle and those 2 lines in our implicit plotter, and hopefully we should be able to see visually, visual confirmation that these 2, see them there? These 2 lines are tangential. This straight line, and this circle here. And here's the plot. So we've got intersection point here and one here.